Welcome to a video by Iobchemistry. This is a centrifugal machine which is dome shape and it is called doctor model, and this is this one is a regulator, speed regulator. Here we have the steps regulator 1 to 5. The maximum speed is about 3600 rpm, and this is having a very special wire, and this one, when it reaches you, there may be a coil of wire which may be around here. Inside this section there may be a wire here, so please take out the wire before using it. This is a cup to be tied. Here you can put the test tubes. Capacity is 8 tubes per vacuum container. Then you have to tighten it. After tightening this, then this will rotate. If it should be freely rotatable to be connected to the 220 volts, and this works very well for centrifugal of the samples or blood or clot or other for medical use. These are speed regulator. Starts from slow. You can use it on 6 also. There are steps here. We got 1 2 3 4 5 and then again back to 0, so you can keep it on 3 or 4 or whatever you want. These are our emails: abron01@gmail.com and info@abronexports.com. Another is website abronexports.com. This is our website, and Abron Exports, we have got all the centrifugal machines, rectangular also, freezing also, high speed 16,000, 20,000 with freezer also. There are different kind of centrifugal machines. These are openable. Always use this one should be closed before using it, and when you have used it you can open it and then use it. The wire, please check the wire should be outside, not on the rim. Here it should not be, wire should not be here. It may, when it reaches you due to the packing, it may be there. Please visit the website, share the videos, like the videos, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.